The number one most common recommendation I see in new Google Ads accounts is add site links to your ads. It feels mandatory, but honestly, site links aren't always beneficial. And in this video, I'll break it down. I'll cover their purpose and why you should use them and reveal the hidden risk and when you should not use them. Hello everyone, I'm Toby Danilchuk with 39 Celsius Web Marketing Consulting, and welcome to our Google Ads Recommendations Review, where we tackle common Google Ads recommendations or notifications that pop up in your account, where we break them down into simple pros and cons and give you a clear, actionable verdict. Tired of feeling confused by Google Ads? We keep it simple here. And if you want more videos from the trenches that cut through the jargon and tell you exactly what to do, click like and subscribe to join our community. And in all my videos, I put links to additional resources in the video description below, so be sure to check there as well. First, a quick definition for those that are new to this. Site links are those extra little links that appear under your main search ad. They point to other pages on your website, like your services page, pricing, or contact us page. First, a quick definition for those new to this. Site links are those extra little links that appear under your main search ad. They point to other pages on your website, like your services page, pricing, or contact us. So let's start with the good news and why site links are a very powerful tool for your small business. Benefit 1, site links make your ad appear larger in search results. Think of it like this: your competitor's ad is a couple lines of text, and yours is suddenly a big box because you have these extra links. You take up more screen real estate, push everyone else down, and that means more eyeballs on your brand. Benefit 2, higher click-through rate. You're giving searchers more options within your ads with site links. Someone searches for local electrician. Your main ad talks about your services, but a site link says, see our reviews. If they click the review link, you still get the traffic, and they are now moving deeper into your website. This often leads to a much higher overall click-through rate, which Google rewards with a better quality score for you as an advertiser. And if you've listened to some of my past videos, a high quality score can lower the cost that Google Ads charges you. Benefit 3, directing intent. You can guide people to the right page quickly. If someone is looking for your store hours or your return policy, they can find it without ever landing on your sales page. This improves the user experience and is excellent for branded searches when someone is already looking specifically for your business name. Okay, now for the con side. When site links sabotage your goal, the main problem with site links is the loss of control over the user experience. Let's say you're running an ad for high value, highly competitive term like emergency plumber. Your goal isn't to get a website visitor, it's to get a phone call or submit a form right now. You spent time creating a perfect, specific landing page designed to convert that person immediately. It has one message, one clear call to action, and this is called a single focus page. And here's the site link risk. Site links act as a distraction. They offer an escape route to other pages like our blog, our gallery, services. You just paid for a click from a person who had an emergency, and now they're wandering off somewhere else on your website where they get distracted, then less likely to convert. Remember, a click on a site link still costs you money, so Google's happy. So make sure that the click is leading to a page that actually moves your business forward, not just a random corner of your website. When your goal is a singular conversion, you want the user to stay focused on that one page. Remember, the landing page's goal is to reduce friction in the sales process, not increase distraction. So what's the verdict on add site links recommendation? Depends entirely on your campaign's goal. Here's rule of thumb 1. Use site links when the intent is broad. If the search intent is general, for example, a branded search or a search for a general product category, site links are fantastic. They offer choices and increase visibility. Use them when you want to showcase different products, services, or pages, such as testimonials. Rule of thumb 2. Skip site links when intent is specific. For a lead generation campaign with a very specific, high-intent keyword that goes to a dedicated landing page, you will likely see better results without adding site links. If you only want a form fill or a call, don't give the customer another option to click away. Like all Google Ads recommendations, site links are a powerful tool, not a mandatory rule. Use your goals to decide what's best for your budget, not Google's recommendation score. For a deeper dive on effective landing pages for Google Ads, be sure to check the video description below for links to 2 related video posts. One is titled PPC Landing Page Best Practices, and a second post titled The Power of Aligning Landing Pages with Google Ads. So I hope this Google Ads recommendation review and analysis of Sitelinks was beneficial. Please give me a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe for more actionable digital marketing tips and strategies from the trenches. And if you have a specific question regarding Google Ads you'd like covered, leave me a comment now and I'll do my best to cover it. And if you'd like us to audit your existing campaigns or run Google Ad campaigns for your company, reach out to me now. Call me at 951-444-0174, email me at toby@39celsius.com, or my calendar link to schedule a 15-minute call with me is in the video description below. Thanks for spending a few minutes out of your day with me. I'll see you in our next video where we dive deeper into digital marketing.